So guys, let me show you how you earn by reading article, how Ethereal pays you for reading article. So as you can see now, this is my dashboard and I've already accumulated up to like 70,450, right? I want you to take note of that amount, okay? So all I just need to do now, if we come down here, you look at the history. If you look at the history, you will see how much I've been earning from each of the tasks I do. Like from the list of it is the game, you understand, which is 1,200. They pay you 1,200 for that game. So when you read an article or you follow or if you just do any task, you get paid. So now I'll click on this article here and it will take me to a recent article that was released by Ethereal. You understand? So the platform pays, okay? The platform really does pay. So I'm going to show you how it works now. Okay, now so it has brought me to this page. You see? So if you check this date now, you'll see July 25th, which means this is a recent article. All right, this one is a previous article. So I'll read this one now. It's going to redirect. I'll close the redirection, then I'll go back and I'll read it. So as soon as I'm done, I want to show you. I just calm down. So I don't even have to come and be reading all the many write-up. All I just need to do is engage. When I engage, it will take me to where Ethereal wants me to be. Maybe on the, you understand? This is like what do they call it? A Telegram channel that they want me to join. So you see, I don't even have to join. All I just need to do is go back. Okay. Let me just go back to my browser. Then I will just go back to the home page by clicking this part. So you remember it was 70,450 naira, right? So now look at what we have here. It's now 72,950. So how much did I earn? 2,500. Look at it there. You see it? Look at it on the recent transaction. 2,500. Ethereal pays, man. It pays.